Hello, today I am discussing about distance, speed and time, but not in physics. I mean to say, I am not discussing about the motions math, physics, numericals, but I will solve this problem in linear equation system. Now, the question is given, a certain distance covered by a man is 4 hours 30 minutes. When he had gone first half distance by 50 km per hour speed and next half distance gone by 40 km per hour speed. Find the distance. Let the distance be x. When nothing is given, so you can take as any numeric, any alphabet if there is no numerical value. Say this is A and this is B. A gentleman covered this distance in 4 hours 30 minutes, that is 9 by 2 hours. So you can write like this, let AB equal to x kilometer. You take x kilometer, why? Because speed is given 50 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour. So better you take kilometer. The unit of distance is kilometer, remind it. Next, what is given? Time. Time taken, time. Cover this distance, cover. It is given. Cover the, अच्छा given तो आप यहाँ लिखिए, you write here given. X kilometer cover in 4 hours 30 minutes means simply you write 9 by 2 hours for easy to calculate. Now you see there is a middle point M. There is a middle point M, that means AM equal to x by 2 kilometer and equal to MB. AM equal to MB, because simply say half distance. And now you see, we know distance is equal to distance. Simple, distance equal to speed into time. Here only time is given and here speed is given. So better you bring in one unit, because if you have 5 copies, 10 pen and 20 pencils, you never can say 5, 20, 25 plus 25, 50. That means you have 5 copies, 10 pen and 20 pencil. That is the additions. You cannot say the 35 because unit is different. So here unit is kilometer and hours. Be careful with this. So bring it in one unit. What to do? First see x kilometer speed. Here speed is equal to speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So first half speed distance by time, time equal to distance by speed, time equal to d by s लिख दे रहा है. First half distance is covered x by 2 and speed is what? 50 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour. See what is coming? It is simply coming x by 2 into 1 by 50. Simply. So, and next half, that is second half, it is also x by 2 divided by 40 kilometer per hour equal to how much? X by 2 into 1 by 40. So now you see a total distance covered by 9 by 2 hours, and this distance covered by x by 100 hours, and this distance covered by x by 80 hours. Clear? Now you can add it. So now you can write, when x equal to x by 2 plus x by 2, ये तो हम लोग जानते हैं, therefore 8 hours, sorry 8 no sorry, it is 9 by 2 hours, 9 by 2 equal to how much it is, x by 100 plus x by 80. Now you see the LCM of this equal to 9 by 2, so 9 by 2 equal to, this is 400 and this is 4x plus 5x. Now you see, therefore 9 by 2 equal to 9x by 400. This is also hour. I not write it. You have to write it. This is hour. This is hour, and this is kilo. This is also hour. Hour. Clear? Now, therefore, x equal to 9 into 100. Sorry, 9 into 400. By this 9 will come in denominator, 2 into 9. So it is cancelling 2 and 200. So 200. So, but we know that x equal to kilometer, x unit square distance, x representative as a distance. So therefore distance equal to distance equal to 200 kilometer, and this is your answer. Now you check it whether your math is right or wrong. See, 50 kilometer half distance means that is 100 kilometer. So it is crossing by, it is covered by 2 hours. When he can go 50 kilometer per hour, therefore it will take 2 hours to complete the 100 kilometer. Now next 100 kilometer he has gone by 40 kilometer per hour speed. So 40 into 2.5 equal to 100. So 2.5 hours means 2.5 hours. That is 2 plus 2.5 means 4.5 an hour. That means 4 hours 30 minutes. So if you have any doubt, please put your comment. If you like this video and explanations, then please share it to your friends. Thank you very much.